Suzette has kept us waiting long enough. This is a new season of leather at Love 41, and she has so far been knocking it out of the park. I'm so excited to debut this bag. I don't have anything like it. I know you don't have anything like it because I've never seen anything like it. So let's get into it. I cannot wait to see this little gem. I love to see the success and the growth of Love 41. They have a little store now out in Texas. So if you're ever out that way, and I hope I'm out that way again soon so that I can check it out, you will get the chance to see some of their lovely designs in person. But in the interim, you have me. Dun, dun, dun. If you don't know by now, they send their stuff in this uber cute packaging. It's like a burlap sack and twine, and I love this little thing. It just says 100% of profits from this design help each of these people, and it lists names, and it just gives a human element to what it is that they do. Yes, they make leather, but they're a people company first. So they're out there doing their non-profit thing, helping the world be a better place, giving people purpose, giving their profits back into the community. Oh my gosh, let's just press pause on talking about the greatness that is Love 41 to look at this piece. So this is absolutely, I'm gonna take it out of the thing. It's absolutely stunning. This is really spectacular. Suzette has been listening to what people ask for, and people absolutely adore her fringe. And I don't know why I'm gingerly about the plastic, but I never want to tear it. It comes packaged so well. Holy moly, 1 second. This is the cutest little drawstring backpack. Look at these cute little handles. Oh my lord. I'm going to step back for a minute so you can appreciate this fringe detail. And it's packed out, so let me come back. It is unlined in here. Oh my gosh. Hopefully you're seeing all that greatness. I'm not sure if you can. But it's unlined. It's got a little bit of structure to it, which you can see. It's not super floppy. And it has a really nice sized pocket back here. An open, nice sized pocket. I am excited. So excited. I love the fringe detail, and I love this handle. Check out the symbol back. Wow. Let's check it out. So it has a lot of wiggle room in terms of the size. You cinch this closed. It's probably going to be a little tight at first. Oh no, it's not even tight. How cute is this bag? I can't even stand it. So anyways, check out this new design from Suzette. I am going to test it out for us, and I will be back with a full review on this beauty. Thank you so much for watching.